chapter 2 of the F22 build, and we have doing quite some progress since the last time we was filming here. The engine is in and everything fits good. Turbo and exhaust manifold is in place. We have fabricated the downpipe. We have put the intercooler into place and that position we wanted it to be. And the charge pipe is it's done and welded. Also we have put this front end from the donor car, just so we can see how much place we have for everything and what parts we are needed from the stock car. We have started to doing some works and planning about the fuel system, the fuel pressure regulator position, and the routing of every hoses under the car. We have planned and discussed how we're going to do it. Also the water system we have planned as well. In the car we have put the driver's seat in, and we find some issues with the pedals. It's not fitting the position right, so we're gonna cut this off, and we're gonna take the customer here, and we're gonna do a tailor-made for the customer, because this one is a little bit too low. In the back we have mounted the rear suspension and rear subframe and the rear differential, and that was basically just a bolt up, so we are happy about that. So yeah, that's all for this time, and if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.